In the field of maintenance cleaning chemicals, the American Flash brand has been providing high-quality and effective products for over 40 years. This brand is a leader in consumer, janitorial, and industrial markets in the United States, as well as around the world. We made the first leap in 1976 to explore markets in the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and other Asian countries, and established excellent markets for our cleaning products, especially American Flash Toilet Bowl Cleanser. As a true market leader in the international markets, American Flash is constantly exploring and manufacturing innovative and value-added products that will fulfill consumer demands for consistently higher quality standards for rapidly growing markets. We have earned an excellent reputation through solid commitments of traditional values of trust and business ethics, which has made the brand exceed standards while fostering lifelong relationships with our valued customers in retail, industrial, and janitorial markets. Our maintenance cleaning chemicals, manufactured in our own factory in America, are products made by hard-working people who are proud to provide you with the best. When you're ready for superior maintenance cleaning chemicals from a nationally trusted brand, contact us at atmamericacorp.com or call 888-349-7058.